So the problem we want to solve is we've got a fairly unstable beach that has been eroding and receding over the last few years. And the living shoreline approach aims to stabilise that beach and also accrete sand, thereby broadening the beach. It's along the Ramblers Road Foreshore, which is in Port Arlington on the Bellarine Peninsula, about 42 kilometres southwest of Melbourne. Our project promotes coastal climate adaptation by taking a non-conventional approach and by using eco-engineering principles that apply the living shoreline technique to coastal adaptation. So in this case, we've used an artificial reef to reduce wave energy so as the beach has the ability to stabilise and regenerate. The results have been really positive. To date, we've broadened the beach by about 23 metres. We've also seen co-benefits delivered through marine intertidal reef communities colonising the reef, as well as the rehabilitation of seagrass meadows in the surrounding area. Coastal managers and engineers may rethink the traditional approach to coastal protection. I believe we're starting to see a change in people's attitudes towards hard engineering structures along our coast. Some believe them to be unsightly, reduce the amenity of the beach, and restrict access to the beach. The vast majority of the response from the community has been overwhelmingly positive. There's been one complaint about, sometimes at very low tide that the actual reef structure, when it's exposed, actually detracts from the view overlooking Port Phillip Bay. The positive response is that people have seen the beach broaden, have seen a response to a living shoreline approach that has proven the theory behind incorporating a number of techniques, such as an artificial reef and introducing some landscape treatments to the foreshore. For example, raising a shared path and reinforcing that path has also provided additional protection to the foreshore. We believe that the approach does present opportunities for other areas across the Victorian coastline. This might require additional specific assessments to those localities, but we believe that the approach can be adapted and used in other areas. It may need to be upscaled or, in fact, can even be downscaled.